Ngwataniro ya mandagitari niyo Kmpdu nirombete kubewa kanya kubesha na mateta mao kiri kamiti iria itarito kwariria kugwatithania Kenya. Kamiti irethite na mbere kuruthagi karo nyumbani ya BOMAS BARIUGA kethirwa ubutiumbikana makaandikira mbunge ya Senate barua ni kenda mateta mao mashwirwa ntaira imwe cia thina iria makuraithiria ni bamwe na kwaga arigitani makwigana macibitari ni gwitithirwa nkathi kiri maria makubatara na kijagia kuraithwa kwa marebi na mishara yao. Anthony Kadenya katumenyithie.
Solidarity forever.
Ngwataniro ya mandagitari Kmpdu igwatanite na arigitani kile ileneki nibaruti kamiti ya ngwataniro ilethite na mbere na walaniri nyumbani ya BOMAS gutigala ni kwalilio tungata bogima bwa mwili kile madhibitari kulingana na mandagitari baba utungata kile madhibitari ma mwingi kile kaunti mwanya mwanya na kabutite na mbere kuthuka obrantko ikuthi na thirikari tekonekana kujukirio rito thina ino bakiuga musemano wa thirikari ya matora ule wale Eldoret kaunti ya Uasin Gishu kimegitoku utalilia bwa kwigana madhina mala makwinyirio tungata kile madhibitari.
As unions, as Kmpdu with our brother Kuko, we are demanding that the current bipartisan talks that are ongoing, the issue of healthcare, the health agenda must be part of this discussion.
Basi tumekuja hapa kusema kwamba si kweli kwamba nyimbo zilizokuwa zikiimbwa katika kule Eldoret ni za ukweli, kwa sababu tumetaja na tukasema kwa kweli kwamba leo hii tunapokuwa tumesimama hapa tukiangalia ile budget ambayo imewekwa na serikali kuu na hata zile ziko katika serikali ndogo hazijaweza kuangazia ili kwa ajili ya kutatua matatizo yale yaliyopo ambayo yanakumba wa Kenya.
We must start having candid conversations. If we are going to have any meaningful solutions, we must be candid to ourselves. We cannot be sitting in very high level meetings, lying to ourselves and expecting that as we go into the future, we are going to change anything.
Kulingana na mandagitari baba thirikari Rais William Ruto yanenkanire wirane bwa kwandika arigitani ngiriki bao kile madhibitari na mpaka thaa ino BUBU botithithikite na thibitari nyingi no kaikuthi na mbele na kwa arigitani.
That the government promised in the manifesto of Kenya Kwanza to employ 20,000 healthcare workers. We have perused and scrutinized the budget and we have not seen these actually put as part of the plan. We are therefore demanding that the government need to stand up and do be accountable and actually employ the 20,000 healthcare workers that were promised.
Bwajiri ni bamenerite thirikari ni kurega kuingia CBA kulingana nabo BUBU kathina mbele ikethirwa thina nene muno kiri thirikari nene kuingia mubango wa kuthondeka utungata bwa ugima bwa mwili wijikene ta UHC.
The non-implementation of the CBA. As Kmpdu, we express our deep concerns and disappointments regarding the non-implementation of the CBA 2017-2021, which mostly entails the parts of the promotions we have seen in situations like Embu County, where consultants are working in status like medical interns. We gave a notice in that particular county, which is lapsing on 28th of this month. So essentially, we ask the governor of that county that they must prioritize healthcare, that the right to access to healthcare as enshrined in Constitution Article 43 is not a begging right. It's a right that needs to have every Kenyan access the healthcare. We know that the vision for UHC is a noble vision, but a vision remains a vision and a wish if there's no implementable action that is put in place. And one of the biggest fundamental is the human resource.
Mandagitari baba mwana arigitani bangi helio nurses na clinic officers nibagwite kumana na mathina mama muthenyo tariki 12 mweri tuthiete wa Septemba bakethirwa bena maandamano magukinya mateta mao kire minister wa bwa mwili bunge ya Senate amona bunge nene.
And therefore we have discussed in our National Executive Council and also we've discussed with our sisters and brother unions that we must take action over this matter. And therefore, on 12th of September, we'll have a peaceful procession by all the doctors, all the nurses, all the clinical officers from Kenyatta to put a petition to the Ministry of Health for them to comply with the manifesto of employing 20,000 healthcare workers. We'll take the same to the Senate and to the Assembly the same day. And if they fail to give us a direction and a plan they have to fulfill that particular promise in the manifesto, we will escalate that action.
Kuma muji munene wa Nairobi, Mbeta Antony, Rangi wa Kathenya.